Hey, what's up, guys? This is Taylor. It is the 25th of June. QQQ at a brand new all-time high of 543.31. And then you do have a daily squeeze here. So in most cases, if they can take that and break it long, there might be a short-term path into about QQQ 550. You got the white arrow, you have the perfect score of 15, all of your trend, structure, and momentum criteria. The fixins for a push. So QQQ looking pretty sharp, and then we bought some Snowflake back on Monday. Jumped in and bought the 215 calls for a few weeks out. Bought them for about 380 and sold them for about 830. A little bit better than a double, and yeah, good example of a very clean multi-squeeze setup. Daily squeeze, white arrow. 1 hour squeeze, white arrow. 30-minute squeeze, white arrows, and 15-minute squeeze, white arrows. Whoops. 15-minute squeeze, white arrows. White arrow meaning a squeeze and a big 3 score of 15. You take it and you run it through the trend checklist, you run it through the structure checklist, and the momentum checklist. Your best possible score is 15. Get that and a squeeze, we get a white arrow. We call that an A+ setup. So yeah, we booked a double there on Snowflake, and then we bought some Nvidia at the close yesterday off of the end of day 15-minute white arrow. Caught the gap up. So we bought the 148 calls for the Friday expiration. We paid about $1 and change. We sold them around the 150 call wall for about $2 and change. And then Nvidia said, hold my beer, I'm going to keep on going. And they're currently going for about... Let's go take a peek here. They're going for about 6 and change. Left a couple of bucks on the table. But yeah, Snowflake was good to us. Nvidia was good to us. And then just picked up some Palo Alto. Bought the 205 call for the Friday expiration. White arrow on the end of day 15-minute, white arrow on the 30. Got one on the hourly, got one on the 2. And then for good measure, got one here on the 4-hour chart. Now, buying that for the Friday expiration, being that it is Wednesday, of course, it's a shorter dated trade. The thinking here as far as account management, we took profit on Nvidia, took profit on Snowflake. I'm taking a small fraction of that profit, call it 15-20%. Jumping in, buying the 205 call here for Palo Alto. If you can parlay profit, it puts you in a pretty good position. They take Palo Alto, they gap it up, they pump it. I'm making more cash if they take it and they hammer it. They gap it down, take out support, cancel all of the pretty colors. Yeah, I'll take an L on that trade. But the goal is between trade number 1, 2, and 3. I will finish the week here with a net profit. Picked up some Palo Alto, and then a couple more things here. Crowd. I do like Crowd. Now, Crowd has a call wall at 500. And when you look at that daily squeeze, I think you want to play that for a push into 520, 525-ish. Big 3 score of 15, momentum, structure, trend, white arrow. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Daily squeeze, and then checking out the 4-hour squeeze here, which could get the party going. So the only thing missing here for the 4-hour squeeze would be momentum. Green on the trend label, green on the structure label, red on the momentum label. And then notice down here on the MACD bars, you got a negative cross back here in early June. Even though they've kept good trend and good structure, 21 above the 50, 50 above the 200, EMAs are stacked positively. They've kept all that, but while you're lacking momentum, it's tough to go and get that big breakout. All right, they pop it up, they dip it, they chop, they pop it, they dip, they chop. Tomorrow, Friday, any point next week, if they can get that positive MACD shift, we will get a 4-hour buy trigger, we'll get a 4-hour white arrow, and that can maybe get you to and through that 500. From there, you got the daily squeeze, and that could get you closer to 520-ish. But all right, y'all, a couple things there on the watch list. We thank Nvidia and Snowflake for their service. And now we'll see what's up for tomorrow. So as always, thank y'all for watching. Have a great night, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Adios.
What's up, traders? This is Taylor from Simpler Trading. I wanted to thank you for watching our video, and if you liked the video, go on ahead and comment down below, hit that like button, and make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell icon to get a notification anytime we upload our next video. And of course, if you want to watch us trade live in real time with our own money, check us out at simplertrading.com. Until then, trade safe, and I'll catch you in the next video.